Hi, good morning everybody. Myself, Dr. Basavaraju C, working as professor in electronics and communication engineering department in Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore. From last 6 years, wants to speak to you all on today on a beautiful topic called regarding students called how to study long hours with great focus and great involvement without losing concentrations. Before going to actual this topic, let me tell you, right, myself little, one sentence. I'm basically coming from a small village called Kotnur, lovely village, which is coming under a taluk, Kollegal, and a Chamarajnagar district. Today, why I have taken this topic, let me tell you, because I've seen thousands and thousands of students, and I taught proudly thousands and thousands of great engineers. And I have asked very oftenly this complaints from so many students. They says that their parents also this complaints. I'm not getting focus. Sir, I'm losing concentrations within half an hour only. And most of you, 90% of the students or teachers or anybody now, any works, they are telling that they are losing concentrations within half an hour only. And they will not get concentrations to work or to study. This is a general comments of 90%. 10% of the world is really thundering way. They are studying beautifully long hours, they are working long hours, and they are working with great energy also. This we have seen. Now, and the parents also telling this. They are telling oftenly when I am doing counseling, they are saying that our son or daughter getting all concentrations only previous day of the exam. They say that previous day, the whole night they are studying. They are also telling, sir, only previous night I am getting concentrations. And I study fully. And I also get 80% marks. No, I'm sorry. Only one day or during the examination time of 1 year, only 6 days or 10 days. If you score, if you study whole days, 10 days and getting 80%, don't enjoy. That's a waste. I'm telling you that's waste. The whole year kept you to study and analyze, to learn lots of things. Enjoying lots of things. Instead, you are telling, please parents don't entertain such statements also. If your sons or daughter studying only 10 days and getting 80%, don't be happy then. Right? That's not the way of studying. You cannot design anything. We can't compete with the China or the America, anybody. We can't compete by studying only 6 hours. No. Here is the point. That's why I've taken up today this as a topic. What I'm telling is, please stop talking such things. Instead, concentrate. Here I am not going to tell you the boring way. For example, you might have heard hundred thousands of lecturing or hundred thousands of people would have tell you, right? If you study motivational talk also, whatever you call, if you study, you will get score 100 marks, and if you study well 10 hours a daily, you will get placement, you will get good job. No, I am not going to tell you such things. I don't want, it's not my intentions. I am going to tell you here different. Please, students of any age, starting from LKG, UKG to engineering students or PhD students, scholars, or a MTech, or a doctors, or a MSc, BSc, MA, BA, whichever the kind of student you are. I am telling you why you are not getting concentrations first. And what you need to get concentrations. Afterwards, taking it and studying or taking to any jobs also I am telling the same now. Other than studies also, any kind of job including me, my teaching maybe, you are maybe software engineer, the other may be the industrialist, other may be educationalist who is running institutions, who is running companies, or who is a minister, right? Whoever they may be, every work is like a student. Now, without losing concentration, you should do. That only I will tell you why you are not getting concentrations, especially to students. And if you get concentrations, what you can achieve also, I will tell you. Now, students, listen me, especially to you. 9 to 4, please switch off mobile and study mobile only. I am telling you these sentences. Switch off mobile, this much of time is actually 9 to 4 is for the studies only. You go to the class, whether it is boring or not, you please study and discuss the things which you are studying from the teacher or from yourselves. Study. Now what you will do? You will not study, and of course nowadays it is fully online. You have to use mobile. Use it for the mobile for the studies. 9 to 4. This much of time, use it for studies. And without using with switched off conditions, you should study. And I am not telling you that you should be sannyasinis, that there's no. You, after 4 o'clock, you open mobile only. 4 to 6:30 or 4 to 7 you want, whatever. 3 hours, learn mobile only, this much of time. And in the mobile, I know that you have to see today's technology. You have to learn WhatsApp, how to use. You have to see WhatsApp, what is that? You have to see this YouTube. You have to see, you want to see movies, no? You see it. You want to see pictures, no? You see it. You want to see the games, no? What is that? You see that also. That is what is it? Amusement, or this is all required to get rejuvenate. But how much time? Right? And at that time, don't study. Don't think anything else. Study, watch fully, learn fully. But you should know which one you should, how much extent you should see the internet and all you should see. Please see that, right? 3 hours or 2 hours, that only. Otherwise you will die, I know. Now, for example, this much of, right, time. If you study, if you think of studies, this much of time, if you do whatever the kind of job you want to, even if the bad things also if you do, then this will automatically will get concentration. This will not, these good things is dominating these bad things. Now this is not the case. You are studying, you are watching mobile, you are using WhatsApp, you are doing TikTok, all this much of time. But you are going for studies only 6 days, 10 days, or only 1 hour, right, of any age. Even LKG students are also using this much of time. Then definitely, these bad things dominating good things. You can't achieve anything. You will not get concentration. That is the problem today you are all students facing. This is what is left to you now. Please do the reverse. How can it be possible, I say? This much is dominating this much. How can it? Bad things is definitely dominating good things. But you are all dreaming that you want to be greatest fellows. Yeah, you have to dream it. You can't achieve it. Right? Please see that you are doing this much of time, the studies, thinking, acting, whatever you want to do. And this much of the time, you are doing the rest of the things. Then automatically you will get not only concentration, not only interest, you will get focus. Then if you learn in that way, 1 year, we can beat any countries in this world through the work. When you once know this study, automatically first few days you may get boring. But afterwards, I am telling you, the most beautiful thing exists in this world is studies. But the way you are studying, you change it. This is what my request to all of you. And this way, I have counseled, I am proudly saying that I have counseled hundreds and hundreds of students. They are all getting benefited, and they are all still right in touch with me only, and they are calling me also. Instead of burdening, now they are enjoying the works also. Now they are all great engineers now. They are all telling, sir, absolutely true this is. We are all enjoying the works instead of doing the work. We are all enjoying the studies instead of simply studying with boring. No, it is not right. With this much of great technologies nowadays, you can all do this. This is applying to the works also. Whichever the works you are doing, please, whatever the kind of works, right, see that the work is also like a studies. Please don't say that I am boring, same type of work I am doing. No, interesting way you do. When you do this kind of studies, all of you, see that, take an example of our greats, Sudhamurthy ji or Bill Gates, right? What they say? They say that they are still enjoying studies only. That is why they are succeeded in their life like anything. See that they are giving thousands, lakhs and lakhs of people. They are giving jobs to the others. Don't you want to be? For that, what you should do? First, you should stop telling that I am getting boring. No, you will not get bored. What do you say? That boring you are getting. Now, the other way of, right, getting concentration is also simple now. How beautifully you can study instead of boring. What you should do? Please, all of you take a book, whatever, 1 hour. Next, one more thing to the students. 4 to 7:30, you have seen the mobile, no? Then, please, stop that afterwards. Anyhow, your that anxiety of seeing the mobile gets over, no? Now, 7 you switch off mobile. Now, start studying from 7 to 10 or 10:30 or 11, whoever, maybe some of you are very strong at nights, you study. 7 to 11, don't get up, don't go to the room, take a room, go to the room. Please study alone. Don't talk to the other fellow, don't don't listen a song, don't watch a movie, don't study. That way it will not work. Please study fully and enjoy the studies and speak out and study, right? And enjoy the studies. After all, if you do loudly, right, what will happen? Your language improves. After all, your jobs lies today. How beautiful you are talking based on that, whichever the language it may be. If you loudly talk and study, I don't know, right? How do you know where you are getting time passing? No, you will, without knowing the time, you should study. You and me are all doing what now? If you are studying the previous day, you are showing all hard works to the others. No, I am sorry. If you are doing the duty, we should not show it to the others. We should enjoy it. That you will know if you do it. Right? Now this way you will study. After 3 hours or 4 hours, please study, right, fully. Then sleep also 6 to 7 hours. Who says? Dream big, act big. And if you lose concentrations, what a great people we are having. Swami Vivekananda ji, right, is the greatest teachers, I believe. His words, even, right, everywhere in the walls, if you see, the words itself, better than greatest teachers of anybody. And Abdul Kalam ji, what a great moments, what a great personalities we had in our country, right, till the end of his life, right. Kalam ji has done teaching, right. Even in the last age also, he left lots of things to us to study, right. If you remember these two words, these two personalities, how can you and me are not getting interest to study, I say? If we do this, we will get not only interest, we can beat any country in this world. 1 year, if you and me are all, right, concentrating all the works, right, 1 year, if we enjoy the works, right, instead of, right, doing the work simply, drive it, right, then we can beat anybody. We can see that products are designed. Why and how the Chinese or Japanese or Koreans are beating us? See that each and every house we are seeing their products. We are using their products. Why you don't want to do design products? You also design project. Let us all, this many engineers, doctors we are here. Can't we design products? Can't we see that that products is enjoying in their houses? Can't we see that, right, our products is being used in all other countries? Is it not a service? Please see that. That kind of service happens when we study full, when we enjoying studies. This is not happening, my dear students. Till today, not only your problem this is, whole world students, 90% of the students are not enjoying studies. When we are not enjoying studies, we don't have answers to the many problems, simple problems which exist. For example, whole world is not right, finding solutions to the corona. How to face, is it not possible? If we people sit like a Darwin, sit like a Newton, sit like a Coulomb, sit like a greatest Fourier, then definitely we have solutions. That will not happen. Why no? We are not studying full. We are only studying for jobs. We are only studying for only marks. No, not that way. That way it happens. Why no? You are not getting concentrations means that only happens. That is why, please, without your knowledge, you study and you write, read. Please write quickly, read quickly, write neatly in a pages, and then after that keep close that, and then analyze within after 1 hour what you just studied. Just sequence it, right, in the form of sequences, so that you can exactly produce to the examinations or anywhere. Then automatically you get marks. Automatically you will know the world better than anybody. This is not happening. That is why I have taken this topic today. I hope I have covered whatever I wanted to say. Right? Thanks for watching this. Right? Whoever watching this video, and if you have any suggestions, please give it to me. And thanks for supporting me. Right? Yeah, let me see that great world, good world, right, the coming days. And for all problems, study is the best solutions. And not only for marks. If you do this, marks, money, name, everything, satisfactions more than that, it will all come search towards you and come running towards you. This is where success lies. By saying these few words, let me thank all of you. Thank you.